Buenos días. Ok, continuamos en la semana número 5. Ok, so this is the last topic for this week. Ok, so we still en pretérito. So what we are going to learn today is, this one. So you need this form, okay, which you already have it. So we are going to learn about these 4 verbs right here, which is the stem changing verb in pretérito. In pretérito, when you conjugate venir, querer, decir, entreer, traer, in pretérito, the stem change, okay? All right, let's make this a little bit bigger. Oh, okay. All right, so venir means to come, querer means to want, decir means to tell, and traer means to bring. Venir, when you conjugate in past tense, the stem is vin, kiss, dish, and tra. Okay? So the ending is this one right here. You can now use those endings. Remember, these endings right here is for regular pretérito. These endings right here is for stem changing verb. Okay, so when you conjugate all those verbs, this is the ending for yo, tú, él, nosotros, ellos, and ustedes. Be careful with these 2 verbs because when you conjugate them in past tense, the stem changing ends in J. So when you conjugating those two verbs for the ellos form or the ustedes form, you gotta drop the I. So that will be eran, okay? Eran. So do not add the I. You drop it. So for example, ellos trajeron. Okay, this is too small. Ellos trajeron, okay? You drop the I, all right? You're only going to do it for these 2 verbs. Why? Because it ends in J. Now, if you're doing this one right here, ellos quisieron, okay? For this one, for all of them, yes, you have to do ieron. Eron is only for these 2, okay? Past tense, pretérito. All right, so let's write some sentences. Let's make this. Let's do this bigger. Okay, so we're gonna do decir, yo dije, right? Yo dije, you see how I changed the stem, and then I add this E, I said, all right? Ellos, this one, dijeron, you see how it's not an I here, like this one, because you gotta follow this ending. Why? Because it's a J. Tú, with accent, right? Up to dijiste. This one right here. Okay? All right. So this topic is not really hard. This is, again, all about pretérito. Now you're going to do activities that you might have to combine all the pretérito you have learned, which is all this, okay? All this. By now, of course, you should know all the conjugation in pretérito for regular, stem changing verb, the irregular verb for pretérito, and then the imperfecto conjugation in the irregular verb. Okay, by now you should know all that. Okay, so do your homework and take the assessment. See you. Hasta mañana.